How to see watch history on Instagram? Here's a step-by-step guide. To begin with, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap the three lines menu located at the upper right corner. From the option that appears, choose your activity. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and choose Watch History. Here you will find a list of all the videos you have watched. Moreover, you can manage your watch history using the filters at the top. You can manage them from newest to oldest or oldest to newest. Moreover, you can also pick a specific date or even select an author to view the videos from a particular creator. Finally, with the Instagram new update, you can easily revisit any video you have watched, and there you go. You now know how to see watch history on Instagram.